if you really want to get selected here is you need to write very attractive and Hey everyone, today's video is about Studygate. I already knew about this platform long back, but I wasn't sure whether I should make a video on this. So one of my subscribers, Shivam Tiwari, who has recently got selected on Studygate, he insisted me to make a video on Studygate so that you all can get benefited from it. So here I am with a video on Studygate. Studygate was started in 2014. It is again one more platform that connects students with tutor. You can work here as Q&A expert. They also have this online tutoring thing, but the work for online tutoring is not much there. So as of now, you can apply for Q&A expert. Chegg Tutors is shutting down, so the chances are that most of the tutors and the students will try their luck here. So talking about Studygate, if you're good at math, science, accounting or even coding, you can apply here. In fact, programming is the highest paid subject on Studygate. Also, you don't have to be graduate to apply here. So if you want to know more about it, stick around till the end. My name is Trilekha. I make videos on English lessons, parenting tips, work from home ideas and lot more. And you're watching my channel Lot to Learn. So before I begin, first of all, I want to thank Shivam Tiwari for all the information about Studygate. And secondly, I have something important to share with you all. If you know anyone who is in 9th and 10th, especially in Maharashtra board, Unacademy, which in itself is a known brand, is offering a very reasonable package for 9th and 10th students in just rupees 2500. You can get additional 10% discount if you use my code, which is given in the description. Here you will get live lectures. You can study all 6 subjects in Hindi, English and Marathi language. You will have doubt clearing session. Then you can get access to past year papers. If you want to know and if you want to get idea about how they are going to conduct these classes, you can go to their channel and subscribe to their channel. You can also download their app. So there are subscription for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, whatever you wish you can choose. Then more the number of months, lesser you end up paying. So here is a list of subjects you can tutor on Studygate. Now it takes around 15 minutes to apply here. So you should be ready with your degree or mark sheet, whatever you have, your ID and then a picture of you holding your ID. Also, they have bidding system. Now, all of you who do not know what is bidding system, what happens when a student posts any question, then all the tutors offer their price and student chooses the price that student can afford. So this is called as bidding system in simple words. Top tutors earn $50 to $200 per question on Studygate. To receive your payment, you will need a PayPal account. If you do not have PayPal account and if you don't know how to open it, watch this. One of the good thing about Studygate is that they notify you every time when a student posts any new question. This was there with Chegg Tutor also, and it is really good and helpful feature. Once your application is approved here, they will call you and that call most probably will be on the Zoom call. So they will brief you about how it works. One of the extremely important thing while applying on Studygate, and if you really want to get selected here, is you need to write very attractive and very good bio. Okay, and I have seen that most of you get stuck when it comes to writing bio on any of the tutoring site. So within a day or two, I am going to upload a video on how to write a good bio for online tutoring jobs. I will try to add some samples in that video and I would try my best to upload it as soon as possible. So now let me walk you through the process how you can apply on Studygate. So first of all, we will go to our favorite Google and type Studygate here. You will see first option and then you click here and then you will be directed to this page. So here are the subjects which are available: math, science, business, humanities, programming. If you scroll down, you will get become a tutor. Click on become a tutor.
Then click on Get Started. And then you will have to fill your full name, your username, your email, password, confirm your password, how did you hear about StudyGate, and then register. Once you click on register, you will be directed to this page. So as you can see, it's a 6-step process. First, you will have to complete this checklist, and if you will not if you leave any of these, you will not be able to move further. Okay, it's a compulsion. You have to put a tick mark here. Also, don't get confused if you don't know about your college or university whether it falls under the category, under this category, under 1000 top 10 top 1000 category. I'm sorry. So don't get confused if it doesn't fall under top 1000 colleges or universities. What you can do is your bio can definitely help you in getting selected in StudyGate. So write very good and attractive bio. Okay. In the second step, you will have to fill your education and location. So it is very simple. Just you need to write about choose your highest degree, then your country and time zone and all, and then save and continue. Then see, I have already done it. That's why I'm not clicking here on save and continue. You will have to click here on save and continue. Now you will go to profile and you will fill all the detail here. Name, university, college, profile heading, bio. Okay, heading you can put if you have, suppose you have experience, you can put like 4 years of experience in teaching science, or already working on Course Hero or on Study Pool, whatever work you're doing. So mentioning that, you can create short heading here. Now while writing this bio, yes, you will have to be a little detailed. Don't write your hobbies or interest. Okay, write something which is relevant to your tutoring experience, your teaching experience. Then upload your profile photo. I am not going to complete this step because I don't want to apply. I just wanted to show it to you. In fourth step, you will have to do identification. You'll have to give your ID and all, and then there will be some terms and conditions, and then they will send you email. Okay, so that is how you have to complete this process, and it's a good option. I think you should apply, as Tech Tutors is shutting down. So yes, most probably in future there will be so many applications here that you may not get chance. So this is the right time you should apply here. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. There are many videos on my channel about earning online money. Do watch those videos. Some of them will be there in the description. You can go there and click and watch those videos. Thank you so much for watching.